Welcome to the Israel Institute of Biblical Studies. In this first lesson, we're going to begin learning the Hebrew alphabet. If you're enjoying this content, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share this video. The first thing you'll need to know is that Hebrew is written and read from right to left. The Hebrew alphabet is comprised of 23 consonants. Each one has a name, a shape, and a sound, and each one connects you directly to the ancient text. A helpful shortcut is that the name of each consonant begins with the sound it makes. Let's begin. Aleph, the first letter of the Hebrew alphabet. Originally a guttural sound, strong, from the deepest place in the throat. Nowadays, Aleph is mostly silent, though. It doesn't carry a consonant sound on its own. It holds the vowel. Bet. Its sound is B, as in the word boy. When written without a dot, it sounds like V, as in voice. Gimel. Its sound is G, as in the word go. Dalet. Its sound is D, as in the word door. Hey. Its sound is H, as in the word hello. It sounds like breath. It is sometimes barely heard too. Vav. Its sound is V, as in the word voice. Zion. Its sound is Z, as in the word zebra. Chat. Originally a guttural sound, soft, from the depth of the throat. Nowadays, chet sounds like the KH in the word bach. Tet. Its sound is T, as in the word 10. Yod. Its sound is Y, as in the word yes. It is also the smallest letter in the alphabet. Khaf. Its sound is K, as in the word king. Without the dot, though, it sounds like KH. Lamed. Its sound is L, as in the word light. Mem. Its sound is M, as in the word moon. Nun. Its sound is N, as in the word night. Samech. Its sound is S, as in the word sun. Ayin. Like Aleph, Ayin is also mostly silent. It carries the vowel sound. Pei. Its sound is P, as in the word pen. Without the dot, it sounds like F, as in fish. Tzadeh. Its sound is a TS, as in the word tsunami. Kof. Its sound is K, originally a strong, deep K sound. Resh. Its sound is R, a soft, almost guttural R. Sin. Its sound is also S, as in the word sun. This letter sounds just like the Samech, but it is less common. Shin. Its sound is SH, as in the word shoe. Tav. Its sound is T, as in the word time. This is the last letter of the Hebrew alphabet. And that is the Hebrew alphabet. 23 letters that open the door to God's word as it was originally written. Practice them every day, and they will become your second nature, learning their name, shape, and sound. This is just the beginning of your journey. See you in the next lesson at the Israel Institute of Biblical Studies.